Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of one of the best phones in the Android side of the phones that is available in the world market right now. This is an absolutely gorgeous piece of hardware. This is the most smoothest Android phone available in the market. The software is smoothest in the Android realm. The cameras are unanimously praised worldwide. And by now you must have identified the correct phone. So yes, this is none other than the Pixel 7 Pro. This phone was delivered to me just half an hour back by Flipkart, and because of the mandatory Flipkart open box delivery, I had to get it opened by the delivery agent. So I have to do kind of a fake unboxing video. As you can see, I love the white color of this Pixel 7. This looks really gorgeous, and I don't think my present lighting condition does any kind of justice to this phone. The phone has a nice heft and feel to the. I asked the delivery guy not to remove the front wrapper from me, so the display is as new as possible. And this part of the unboxing is really genuine. Now I am having both the smoothest Android phones in the market right now, the Moto H30 Ultra, which is also an awesome phone I've been using in the past few months, and I'm really impressed with this phone. The in-hand feel is great, the charging speeds are awesome, but right now my focus is on the awesome Pixel 7 Pro Snow White. And I'll be comparing both this Moto H30 Ultra and the Pixel 7 Pro very soon, so stay tuned to my channel. As I've told in my previous video, the unboxing experience of premium smartphones these days is absolutely trash. And this phone is no different. There is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. There is a OTG adapter, mostly for using as a data transfer from the old phone to your new phone. Few phones like Xiaomi and OnePlus do provide a USB Type A to Type C cable, whereas most other phones are providing a Type C to Type C cable. The maximum charging capacity of this phone is around 23 watt, which is again a pain in the. This phone has sub-6 band of 5G. Just to start with, let me see the available charge from the factory. For this, I'll just connect my old Moto H30 Ultra charger, which is around 125 watt, and let me see the charging of the phone that is present now. You can see the charging animation is really cool. I love this animation. So very soon I'll be doing a comparison video between the Moto H30 Ultra and the Pixel 7 Pro. I have been really impressed with the Moto H30 Ultra, especially for camera and its portraits. The portraits have very nice Canon-like colors, and I really love the skin tones for coming out of this Moto H30 Ultra. I have not made any initial impressions video for this Moto H30 Ultra, and I'll be doing soon together mostly a comparison video between the Pixel 7 Pro and the Moto H30. Now the H30 Ultra also has one of the smoothest displays with 144Hz refresh rate and one of the most cleanest stock Android look, though exactly not the Pixel UI, but still a very stock Android look and very smooth phone. So stay tuned guys, I'll be doing the videos very soon, and do subscribe if you have not done till now. Thank you.